So another video for the channel. Today I'm gonna make a few runs to the Dodge from 0 to 100 or from 0 to 60 miles, depends from where you are. In Bulgaria we are from 0 to 100. I don't expect miracles. It's a bit traffic here, but I don't expect miracles. It's a 2-ton car, it's 10 years old. We're gonna test this from 0 to 100. We're gonna test from 0 to 100 with my other phone. I have two applications which are taking the GPS coordinates. We're gonna make few runs with both of the apps and we can summarize how the car performs. Of course, it's not 100% accurate, but we'll see. We'll just see. So normally this car is around 300 horsepower, it's 292. It's a V6 2016 8-speed gearbox, but it's 2-ton, so I don't expect miracles. It's a rear-wheel drive. Let's see. I'll be driving in drive mode, but I'll be changing the gears with my paddle shifter so to optimize the acceleration. So I already set my application which is called Race Timer. We have another app which is called ASO Timer, so both of them are whatever kind of timer is. We'll be trying first the Race Timer, and after that we will try the other app and we will see if there is some difference. This car with this engine 3.6 should be around 6.5 seconds up to 7. Of course, depends what mileage the car is. This is around 100,000 miles. Depends of the tires. I'm not with the most perfect tires right now, but anyway, they're still good enough to make the acceleration properly. We'll just see. Let's make one run and we'll see what will happen. This is the time to tell you, if you're still not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Let's improve the channel so we can make better projects with other brands, with other cars. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Seatbelt always on. Drive. We are in manual. That was not bad. Let's see what exactly happened. We were on 105 kilometers and the result is we have top speed 106, but nothing else. We don't have a time from 0 to 100. The other app, as this one, it's maybe not working properly. I'll try the other one. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, we have 9 seconds, which I think it's not accurate because I was on 100 kilometers on my Speedo, and here I think it was around 92 at 3, and I think I released my gas pedal a little bit earlier, and we have to make one more attempt. You know, it's not the best synchronization between the Speedo and this app, but it should give us approximate, but it should be at least around 7 seconds. So one more, we will try one more time. This thing is stressing me out. Okay, let's see now what will happen. now it's okay. The last time we didn't hear this sound, but I think now it's okay. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? 22 seconds. I think I'm not using the track timer properly. Again, I missed the start. Oh shit, again 9 seconds. It's very difficult because you have to look when the countdown is starting. I mean, yeah, finally, we got it, guys. We got it. 7 seconds flat, and they give us from 6.5 to 7. Of course, it depends. Yes, look at that. 7 seconds flat. And I think we can go even better if the tires are better, if the road is better, because we are a little bit on a hill. But of course, 7 seconds for 2-ton car for 300 horsepower is pretty much good. I like it. Actually, I really like it. So thanks so much for watching this video. I think we made few good runs. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.